Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Optical drawing, I'll show you one way to draw a room using one-point perspective. Start by drawing a horizon line, and then for this drawing, draw a single vanishing point to the right of the centre of your horizon line. The next step is to draw the back wall of the room. This is just a rectangle, a long rectangle, which goes around the vanishing point and is both above and below the horizon line. Next, we can use our single vanishing point, which is a point where all receding lines will look like they meet at, to draw the four receding edges of the room. To do this, draw a line from your vanishing point, a soft guideline so that you can erase the parts that you don't need later on, through each of the corners of the rectangle of the back of the room. Now we have the basic room in one-point perspective. Next, we can start dividing the back wall of the room into smaller areas using horizontal and vertical lines. And this will create a doorway on the left and a doorway on the right, and a fireplace in the centre between the two doorways. As these shapes are not receding away from us, we don't need to use the vanishing point for them. They're not coming towards us or going away from us. They're at the same distance. They're at a continuous distance from us. The vanishing point is for all the receding lines in the drawing. The lines which are going away from us, the viewer, will be going towards the single vanishing point in one-point perspective. If you'd like to learn more about one-point perspective, or any other form of perspective or drawing in general, please visit circlelineartschool.com, where you can find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. I hope you like, share and comment this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the content that I make. Next up, see the drawing unfold so that you can follow along. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you'd like to learn more about one-point perspective, or any other form of perspective or drawing in general, please visit circlelineartschool.com, where you can find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. I hope you like, share and comment this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the content that I make. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.